impress, no stress, though they're waiting. I keep them waiting. Makeup on fleek, high heels, ripped jeans, they're all waiting. I'm on my way. Looking in the mirror at myself like who that? Swag on 1,000 and my girls got my back. We just won the party, call me tequila shawty. We just won the party, yeah, yeah. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. When my friends pull around and they got the top down, on our way, yeah. We're on our way. Turn that music up, you know we don't give a what. On our way, yeah. We're on our way. Pull up to the party like my name is the life. Tension so thick, you could cut with a knife. Ask me how I do that. Been fly since way back. Ask me how I do that. Yeah, 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 yeah. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. Hands to the sky if you're feeling a vibe. We ain't gonna stop for nothing. Put your hands to the sky if you catching a vibe. We ain't gonna stop for nothing. Yeah, you can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. Body dressed to impress, no stress, though they're waiting. I keep them waiting. Makeup on fleek, high heels, ripped jeans, they're all waiting. I'm on my way. Looking in the mirror at myself like who that? Swag on 1,000 and my girls got my back. We just won the party, call me tequila shawty. We just won the party, yeah, yeah. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it.
Extra rank, 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 extra rank
Is a thrilling, high-speed roller coaster type ride in the dark. Users be Tron Light Cycle Run is a thrilling, high-speed roller at all times. Users, prepare to be digitized into the world of Tron.
back, break my back, break my back, break my back,
Break my back,
That's a right.
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 break my back,
That's a right, baby.
break my back,
That's a right.
break my back,
That's a right.
break my back,
That's a right.
break my back,
That's a right, baby.
break my back,
That's a right.
break my back,
That's a right.
break my back,
That's a right.
break my back,
That's a right, baby.
break my back,
That's a right.
break my back,
That's a right.
break my back, break my back.
Hey family and frenzy, so as you can see, we are at the Magic Kingdom today, and we have been invited to the Disney's casting event for Tron, y'all. We got a chance to ride Tron before the rest of the public, and guys, the ride is awesome, absolutely awesome. There they go going around there, y'all. But yes, it wasn't as intense as I thought it would be. There aren't barely any drops at all, but the takeoff is just awesome. It's awesome, y'all. I would say compared to Guardians of the Galaxy, I think Guardians of the Galaxy is better, but this one is a lot of fun as well. So I think you guys are gonna have a good time. How did y'all like the ride? It was fun. Y'all liked it? Yeah. Yeah, guys. So yes, it was absolutely amazing. Very happy. You see the smiles. Really, really good.